7 questions you should ask your financial advisor before you buy. Before getting life insurance, don't just look at the product. Look at the person who will guide you. Kasi buying insurance is not just a one-time thing. It's a long-term commitment. So today, I'll share with you 7 questions you should ask your financial advisor before you say yes. Number 1, how long do you plan to stay in this life insurance industry? Because let's be honest, life insurance is for the long term. If your advisor doesn't see themselves staying here, paano ka in 5, 10, or 20 years? When you need them the most. Kapag may claim ka, when you get sick, when you retire, paano yung mga beneficiaries mo? Number 2, what is your role to me as my financial advisors? Some advisors think that their role is just to sell you a policy. But a true advisor is here to guide, educate, and review your plan with you as your life changes. Important then that they remind you of your goals on why you got an insurance. Number 3, how much life insurance and health insurance should I have? This question checks if your advisor really knows financial planning basics. Kasi coverage should be based on your income, expenses, and goals, not on what's easiest for them to sell. There's a rule of thumb in the life insurance that it must be at least 10 times your annual income or expenses para may time na makarecover yung family mo in case something happens. Number 4, which one is the best insurance policy for me? Term, whole life, or VUL? Every type has pros and cons, and a good advisor won't just say this is the best. Instead, they'll explain the differences and recommend based on your priorities, whether protection yan, savings, or flexibility, if yun ang priority mo. Number 5, if you were me, what product will you get? This tests kung genuine sila. Would they recommend the same product for themselves or their family? No? Kasi if it's good enough for them, mas kampante ka na it's good for you too. Number 6, how often should we meet and review my financial goals? A real advisor knows that life changes. Promotion, new baby, retirement plans. Your plan should adjust with you. So dapat merong regular review every 1 or 2 years. And number 7, what support do you give your existing clients? Because service doesn't end after you sign. Ask them, do they help them with claims? Do they guide clients with financial literacy? Do they provide reminders? This shows if they're really clients first. So before you buy, don't just ask about the price or the benefits. Ask these 7 questions because the right advisor will not only give you a policy that they'll give you peace of mind for life. So if you want to know how I answer these 7 questions, message me. Let's talk.